Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting video for all the creative entrepreneurs out there. If you're passionate about handmade crafts and looking for some business inspiration, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll be sharing 50 amazing handmade business ideas that you can start right from the comfort of your own home. So, let's dive in. 1. Handmade jewelry. Create unique and stylish pieces that make a statement. 2. Customized handbags and purses. Design trendy bags tailored to your customers' preferences. 3. Handcrafted candles. Delight your customers with beautifully scented candles in various shapes and sizes. 4. Homemade soap and bath products. Craft natural and luxurious soaps that pamper and nourish the skin. 5. Personalized stationery and greeting cards. Spread joy with custom-designed cards and stationery. 6. Hand-knitted or crocheted clothing and accessories. Keep people warm and fashionable with your cozy creations. 7. Wooden crafts and home decor items. Bring a rustic charm to homes with handcrafted wooden decor. 8. Hand-painted pottery and ceramics. Turn ordinary ceramics into stunning works of art with your brushstrokes. 9. Handmade leather goods. Craft wallets, belts, and other accessories that exude quality and style. 10. Quilt making and patchwork. Stitch together beautiful quilts that tell a story with every thread. 11. Hand-dyed textiles and fabrics. Create unique fabrics with vibrant colors and eye-catching patterns. 12. Paper quilling artwork and designs. Roll, fold, and shape paper into intricate and mesmerizing art. 13. Handmade dolls and toys. Ignite imagination with one-of-a-kind handmade dolls and toys. 14. Natural skincare products. Offer organic and chemical-free skincare products for a healthy glow. 15. Hand-embroidered clothing and accessories. Add a touch of elegance to clothing and accessories with your embroidery skills. 16. Handcrafted home fragrances. Fill homes with delightful scents using your handmade room sprays and diffusers. 17. Wire-wrapped gemstone jewelry. Create unique jewelry pieces that showcase the beauty of gemstones. 18. Handcrafted metal jewelry. Shape metals into stunning jewelry pieces that make a statement. 19. Hand-painted glassware and ceramics. Transform glassware and ceramics into artistic masterpieces. 20. Woven baskets and home storage solutions. Weave together functional and beautiful baskets for organizing spaces. 21. Macrame art and home decor. Knot, braid, and weave cords to create intricate and trendy macrame pieces. 22. Handmade beaded accessories. Add a touch of glamour with your handcrafted beaded keychains and bookmarks. 23. Upcycled furniture and home decor. Breathe new life into old furniture and turn them into stunning pieces. 24. Hand-carved wooden sculptures. Let your creativity flow as you carve wooden sculptures that captivate. 25. Handmade natural cosmetics. Offer a range of natural cosmetics, from lipsticks to blushes, free from harsh chemicals. 26. Hand-stamped fabric and textile art. Print unique patterns on fabrics to create visually appealing textiles. 27. Eco-friendly reusable products. Reduce waste by creating reusable products like cloth napkins and shopping bags. 28. Wire sculptures and jewelry. Bend and shape wires into intricate sculptures and wearable art. 29. Handmade paper and paper products. Craft eco-friendly paper and design journals, cards, and more. 30. Hand-painted silk scarves and shawls. Create wearable art with hand-painted silk scarves and shawls. 31. Handmade ceremonial masks and costumes. Design unique masks and costumes for special occasions. 32. Handcrafted bamboo and wooden utensils. Offer sustainable and stylish utensils for eco-conscious customers. 33. Hand-engraved glassware and drinkware. Add a personal touch to glassware with your intricate engravings. 34. Natural dyeing and eco-printing on fabric. Create stunning patterns on fabrics using natural dyes and eco-friendly techniques. 35. Handmade potpourri and scented sachets. Fill spaces with delightful scents using your handmade potpourri and sachets. 36. Hand-stitched leather accessories. Stitch leather into stylish accessories like wallets, bags, and belts. 37. Handmade musical instruments. Craft unique musical instruments that produce beautiful sounds. 38. Felted wool crafts and artwork. Shape wool fibers into adorable crafts and intricate artwork. 39. Hand-painted signs and wall decor. Create personalized signs and wall decor that add character to any space. 40. Handcrafted wreaths and floral arrangements. Make homes inviting with your handmade wreaths and floral arrangements. And there you have it, 50 incredible handmade business ideas that you can start right from home. Remember, the possibilities are endless when it comes to turning your creative skills into a successful business. So, pick an idea that resonates with you, put your heart and soul into it, and watch your business flourish. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.